Hi, this is Pam with Eli Eden Creative. Today we're going to put a spread together that was inspired by the word grit. I'd like to take the opportunity to invite you to like and subscribe, ring the bell to this channel so that you don't miss out on any time with me. My goal is to have a quick time with you Monday to Friday where you can catch up, grab some inspiration, and enjoy some nice sights and sounds. So what I've done is I've ripped a page and glued it down. I glued down that dictionary word that I created, grit. I also stamped it looks like a inventor of the light bulb, sort of like a schematic stamp over on that left-hand side. Just choosing some paper. I also laid down some washi tape and put the day and the date. This is more of those little notepads that I made. Perhaps I'll teach you guys how to do that one day. I just find it very easy to choose my pages and stuff. So what I did was I chose some things like a butterfly and the light bulbs and just different things where you have to really work at getting the things that you really need. The quote that I chose is from Michael Jordan. It says, "I've missed more than 9,000 shots in my career. I've lost almost 300 games. 26 times I've been trusted to take the game-winning shot and missed. I've failed over and over and over again in my life. And that is why I succeeded." So I guess the moral of that is don't give up. Just adding more washi tape and that sort of thing to add interest. Now I'm writing down sort of like a pep talk to myself because I was kind of feeling low that day. Thank you for your time today.